Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Bless My Setup Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Jaded. The song is Can't Get Over You. The artist is EMMAVIE, and the choreography is Cecily Green. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the demo. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, check out the choreographer, and also I'll post mine at the end of this video. Let's get it. And there you go, Jaded. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the